Question 20. Jamil is on holiday in France. The cost of a room is €27. Convert the cost to pounds. Pounds to euros. 1 to 1.2. Euros is bigger than pounds. If you put the 27 underneath there, I think you'll agree that you need to divide by 1.2. It's like times by 1.2 to go that way, because it must be. So it's divide by 1.2 to go backwards. So I'm going to type that on the calculator, divided by 1.2, and you get 22.5. Now if you leave your answer as that, you'll lose a mark. You must put the final 0 in. That's finished. 20b. Tricky question this, I think. 1 litre of petrol, so litres, miles. Jamil rides a motorbike. The motorbike uses 1 litre of petrol for every 14 miles. So first of all, I write this little table down. How many litres of petrol does the motorbike use to go to 168 kilometres? Now that's annoying because that's in kilometres and this is in miles. So we must convert the miles to kilometres. The way you do that is divide by 5 to get 1 and times by 8 to get 8. So we must do the same to this miles. We must do 14 divided by 5 times 8. So I'm going to type that in, 14 divided by 5 times 8. And it turns out that it is 22.4 kilometres. So 1 litre goes with 22.4 kilometres. That's the new fact that we've got. Okay. Now we've now got to get this up to 168 kilometres. So we need to get 168 here and see what happens over here. How do you get from 22.4 to 168? Well, you divide by 22.4 and you times by 168. So we must do the same over here. Divide 22.4 and times by 168. So let's type that in. We're going to divide by 22.4. Sorry, we're going to do 1 divided by 22.4, and then we're going to times it by 168, and we get 7.5. So there is 1 divided by 22.4 times by 168 gets you 7.5 litres.